so Unit 4 of the Graded English Book 1, page 4. Keywords: school, nice, classrooms, pupils, teachers, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What do you see in the picture? You can see that there are students and there are teachers behind them, and there is a teacher in front, and it's like they are at the assembly ground. Okay, and this is the classroom, and you see that there's grass on the land on which they are standing, because the place is not looking brown but it's looking green, which means there's grass beneath the feet of the land on which the students are standing. Okay, so now let's come to the main passage. This is our school. This is our school. It is a nice school. There are 6 classrooms. There are many pupils in the school. There are many pupils in the school. We have 6 teachers. We have 6 teachers. We go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do not go to school on Saturday and Sunday. We do not go to school on Saturday and Sunday. We like our school. What is the name of your school?